Here's how to add a device to Google Find My Device, and this allows you to track your device if it's stolen or lost. So first, you need to open your system settings on your device. Swipe up to the home screen and find Settings app, and then scroll all the way down and find the Google option. And tap on All Services, which is beside Recommended. Scroll down and go to the section of Personal and Device Safety and select Find Hub. Now toggle the option of Allow Device to be Located. Also turn on your location settings. If not, go to Location Settings and turn it on. Allowing the device to be located, this lets you find your device and connected accessories if they go missing. And to use Find Hub, you need to first get it from the Google Play, or you can also find Hub Web on your web browser. Go ahead and install it on your device, and you can use your Find My Device on other devices to track the location on this one. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.